Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Charles Schwab platform. Start by opening an account, which is a straightforward process taking roughly 10 minutes online. Many accounts require no minimum deposit to begin investing. Once set up, you'll find the platform's dashboard intuitive, designed for easy navigation. It provides quick access to your investments, research tools, and account management features, making your financial journey simple and efficient. Charles Schwab offers a vast selection of investment products, from stocks and exchange-traded funds to mutual funds and options. Placing a trade is simple, with clear steps for buying or selling. You can leverage their robust research tools, including analyst reports and market insights, to make well-informed investment decisions. This empowers you to manage your portfolio effectively and pursue your financial goals. Keeping track of your investments is effortless with real-time portfolio monitoring. You can set up customized alerts to notify you of significant price movements or breaking news affecting your holdings. Furthermore, Charles Schwab provides extensive educational resources, including articles and webinars, to help you expand your financial understanding and refine your investment strategies. Charles Schwab prioritizes your peace of mind with round-the-clock customer support, available 7 days a week. The platform employs advanced security protocols, including two-factor authentication, to protect your assets and personal information. For more tailored advice, you can connect with experienced financial advisors who offer personalized guidance to help you navigate complex financial decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.